Have you ever needed to know exactly where your form respondents are located? Are you relying on people to type in their location manually and hoping they get it right? What if there were a way to collect that information automatically? I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, we will walk through how to collect geolocation data using Google Forms, explore a workaround for adding that functionality, and show you an easier alternative. We will also look at how a Jotform can simplify the entire process. Let's jump right in. Many businesses use Google Forms to gather information from customers and employees. In some cases, knowing where the respondent is located can be essential, especially for online purchases or demographic surveys. While you can always ask users to enter their location manually, that approach is not always reliable. Automatically collecting location data can improve accuracy and save time. Unfortunately, Google Forms does not include built-in geolocation functionality. That means there is no simple setting you can toggle on to capture a user's location. However, there is a workaround that allows you to collect this data using a script. It requires a bit of setup, but it can get the job done if you're comfortable working with scripts. To start, you will need to create a new Google form or open an existing one where you want to add geolocation. Once your form is ready, click the More Options menu, which is represented by 3 vertical dots. From there, select App Script to open the script editor. This is where you will add the custom code that handles geolocation. Inside the script editor, you will need to write or paste a geolocation script. This script should define the type of location data you want to collect, such as street address, zip code, or country. There are resources available online that can help you build this script if needed. After entering the script, save your work and deploy it as a new deployment to generate a link. Once you have the script link, return to your Google form and open the Settings menu. In the Presentation section, edit the confirmation message that appears after a user submits the form. Paste the script link into that message and include instructions asking the respondent to click it. When they follow the link, their geolocation data will be collected and sent back to you. While this method works, it is not the most user-friendly solution. It relies on the respondent taking an extra step after submitting the form, which they may choose to ignore. There is also the risk that the script may not work correctly or may be set up improperly. Because of these challenges, many users look for a simpler and more reliable option. That brings us to Jotform, which offers a much easier way to collect geolocation data. If you already have a Google form, you do not need to start from scratch. You can import your existing form into Jotform using its import tool. This allows you to keep your structure while adding more advanced features. Once your form is in Jotform, you can add a built-in geolocation widget. This widget automatically captures the user's location without requiring extra steps. You can choose what type of data to collect, such as a full address or precise latitude and longitude coordinates. The information can even be displayed on a map for better visualization. The geolocation widget is especially useful for forms like incident reports, inspections, delivery tracking, and surveys. It works best when used on a GPS-enabled mobile device, which helps ensure the most accurate results. This makes it a practical solution for both businesses and organizations that rely on location-based data. It removes the uncertainty that comes with manual input. Adding the widget is simple within the Jotform form builder. You just select Add Form Element, go to the Widgets section, and search for geolocation. After selecting it, you will enter your Google Maps API key and configure the settings based on your needs. Once everything is set, update the widget and it will be ready to use. Beyond geolocation, Jotform offers a wide range of features that make form building more powerful. You can use advanced elements like widgets, e-signatures, and file uploads to collect more detailed information. It also supports complex setups with conditional logic and answer piping. These tools help you create forms that are tailored to your exact needs. Customization is another area where Jotform stands out. Unlike Google Forms, which has limited flexibility, Jotform allows you to design forms that match your preferences. You can choose from thousands of templates or build your own from scratch. You also have the option to adjust styling to align with your brand. Jotform is a great option that allows you to add geolocation without having to use a workaround. Thanks for watching today. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and I hope this helped simplify geolocation for your forms. Be sure to subscribe so you do not miss future tips. See you in the next video.